This is my garage and that is my Jeep, and I have a project today. The Jeep has been feeling a little squirrely up front and been getting death wobbled really bad lately, so I've got myself a set of frame stiffeners for it. It really needs it, and it's all cracked along where the steering box goes and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this garage out and then get started on that project, and hopefully it's marginally entertaining. Okay, got the Jeep in, took the front two tires off, and it's sitting quite about lower than I would like, but I have this problem where my jack stands are too short, and I don't want to go to the store to get more. Although I do need bigger ones at some point, that's on the list, but for this project, I guess I'll just do without. First step, I'm going to get this bumper off. It's pretty heavy, but I built it myself. I've got some little shackle hangers right here that I want to put on it. So that's going to be one of my first, I guess it's not going to be the first step, but that's just something that I want to do here. So while I've got it off, I might as well. So I'm going to start with that. Well, the GoPro wasn't working apparently, but the bumper's off, and it's a little on the heavy side of things, so that took a little bit of effort, but it's off. Metric. That's metric. Heck. Oh, I hate it when they do that. This camera has been giving me some trouble. But what I've got done is the bumper's off, track bar's off, both wheels obviously, and then I laid on the floor for a little while. So that felt pretty nice. Got the Jeep back in here. I undid, whoa. I undid the brake hanger. It's got this little extension bracket thing. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with that on the, with the frame stiffeners. But I got this undone. I just kind of pulled it out of the way. I tried undoing this, but it's all seized up and I'm just gonna see if I can do it without it, but what I'm doing now is I've got my spring compressor on and I'm getting the springs off. So that's the next step. Interesting. Uh-oh. My wrench is stuck. Okay. So this is the point that I've gotten to. So I clamped that one up there, and I'm gonna start welding it in. I'm being lazy with my grinding. Got the next piece going on. I gotta hold that out of the way with my foot. This might be a pain. Okay, I'm back. I just went to the store and got some cool, fun, exciting stuff. There's paint, there's shackles, and some welding wire, because I was about out of welding wire yesterday, and then my wire broke, and I was like, okay, well, this is dumb. So I just stopped. But today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start painting my bumper. So I've got my drop cloth here, and there's a few other things that I'm gonna paint too. Plans are changing. I just got a call from a buddy. He wants to go up to the canyon and go watch the sunset. So I'm gonna go do that now instead. That sounds like more fun anyway. We're a little bit late for the sunset. Me again. My kit that I needed showed up for my frame stiffer project, because what I had going on is I got the kit for the bottom, but not for the side. So I'm gonna do some cleaning up and get to welding on it so that I can get this thing done. I'm sick of working on it. So. My new kit got here. I am sick of welding at this point, and this is the first side of the new kit. So it is currently 7:15. My plan, barring crazy unforeseen circumstances, is to finish this up tonight. So I will check back in either when I'm done, or yeah, we'll see what time it is. Okay, it's another day. It's about 7:30, I think. Maybe not. I don't know what time it is. But I worked till 10:30 the other night, and this is as far as I got on the second side. And I figured I'd have to hit the next piece with a hammer, and I figured that I didn't want to wake up my neighbor's kids with that. So put it off. It's been a couple days. I got some time now. I'm gonna see if I can finish this up tonight, because I am very sick of working on it. Okay, wheels are back on. I put the springs on. I painted everything. I got lazy. So really things are getting more and more shoddy and that's not a word. More shoddy as I go. So, but I committed to go on a trip tonight, and I needed to get it done. So
How was
yeah.
that? Let's get your...
I think it was good. It makes it where I can't get that. Okay, we're gonna go right up over this. We're on top of this. Jeff's gonna have a fun time with that. Hey! Do you want to move that? I hit it. Oh, you're good. We pointed at Jeff again. And there's something that's marking it. My mom would be scared right now.
Yes, she would be. She might be hesitant.
Oh yeah. I liked that one.
That was exciting.
Yeah. Well, we just made a run up Providence Canyon. It was a good time. Good times, always. There's the speedo. It's wrong, but we're probably going about 30 right now. That thing's not working. But no death wobble, so I'm gonna consider it fixed. So thanks for watching.